Hi guys, let's talk about a few essential business verbs and nouns. Verbs: build, complete, consider, develop, distribute, encourage, estimate, extend, fix, obtain, owe, own, plan, promote, purchase, recruit, reject, reply, structure, and vary. Nouns: competition, competitor, debt, debtor, decision, decrease, increase, instructions, inventory, limit. Margin, option, possibility, preparation, reduction, retailer, sales, share, signature, transport. Now verbs: build. The manager decided to build a brand for the business. Complete. Have you completed your CV yet? You have to send it soon. Consider. I haven't considered him as a real specialist. Develop. We have to develop new products to maintain the company on the market. Distribute. Our organization distributes food for the poor every year. Encourage. The efficiency of production should be encouraged. We need quality products. Estimate. It is difficult to estimate how many employees we need for the new production line. Extend. The president extended the quarantine for a few more days. Fix. They couldn't fix the old equipment, so we had to buy a new one. Obtain. It's almost impossible to obtain oil at that price. Owe. We still owe $2,000 to the bank. Own. I own the entire company. Plan. Can you plan our meeting for next week, please? Promote. We have to find an interesting way to promote our products. Purchase. We've been purchased 10 laptops and 2 computers this month. Recruit. My company is trying to recruit some volunteers for a social project. Would you like to join us? Reject. I've applied for that job, but I was rejected soon after. Reply. Could you reply to that mail, please? Structure. We must structure the work program for those working at home. Vary. Our profit will vary from year to year. Competition. Our companies are in a competition. Competitor. Only one competitor can win this prize. Debt. Our company couldn't pay the debt, so it became insolvent. Debtor. Many students graduate as debtors because of the high taxes. Decision. The company will come to a decision by the end of the month. Decrease. I haven't noticed any decrease in the number of participants in our classes. Increase. Over 300,000 people from our city got sick lately, an increase of 10%. Instructions. We follow our top management instructions no matter what. Inventory. We need to take an inventory of unsold tickets to estimate the losses. Limit. There is a time limit for this project. Make sure you finish it. Margin. There is not much margin for writing in this job. Are you sure it's what you look for? Option. The council chose the cheapest option for our project. Possibility. One possibility is to fire him and hire an expert. Preparation. They are making a lot of preparations for president visit in our country. Reduction. Stores are offering huge reductions this Friday. Retailer. James is the company's top retailer. We couldn't sell so many electronics without him. Sales. Our sales have decreased with 3% this month. Share. We have some shares in Tesla. Signature. Sir, I need your signature on this contract. Transport. The EU decided to grant public transport. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more video lessons and give us a like.